Donald Trump asks Supreme Court to pause TikTok ban as inauguration looms. Former President Donald Trump has filed a request with the Supreme Court to halt the implementation of a new law that could lead to the nationwide ban of TikTok in the United States. This move is intended to provide his incoming administration an opportunity to pursue a diplomatic resolution that balances national security concerns with the preservation of free speech. The legislation, passed with bipartisan support last year, mandates that ByteDance, TikTok's Chinese parent company, divest its ownership of the platform or face a U.S. ban as of January 19, 2024. TikTok has challenged the law, citing constitutional issues, and the Supreme Court has expedited its review of the case, scheduling oral arguments for January 10th. In their filing, Trump's legal team argued that pausing the law is critical to preventing the shutdown of a platform used by 170 million Americans and safeguarding First Amendment rights. The brief highlighted the potential global consequences of banning a major social media platform, warning it could set a dangerous precedent for governments worldwide to suppress online speech under the guise of security concerns. President Trump takes no position on the merits of the dispute. Instead, he urges the court to stay the statute's effective date to allow his incoming administration to pursue a negotiated resolution that could prevent a nationwide shutdown of TikTok, the filing stated. Balancing national security and free speech. During his first term, Trump attempted to force TikTok's sale through an executive order, a measure that ultimately stalled in court. This time, his team expressed constitutional concerns, asserting that the new law undermines executive authority under Article 2 by requiring national security decisions to be made through a congressional interagency process. Trump's attorneys also underscored the broader implications for free speech, arguing that shuttering TikTok risks stifling public discourse. The First Amendment implications of the federal government's effective shuttering of a social media platform are sweeping and troubling, they wrote. A race against time. The law's January 19th deadline coincides with the eve of Trump's inauguration, intensifying the urgency for action. The administration hopes to use the additional time to negotiate an agreement that addresses national security concerns while preserving the platform's accessibility for millions of American users. TikTok, which has become an influential cultural and political platform in the U.S., has voiced its opposition to the legislation and joined the legal battle to ensure its survival. Looking ahead. The Supreme Court's decision on this case could significantly impact the future of TikTok, U.S. national security policy, and the balance of power between government branches. Oral arguments on the case are set to begin on January 10th, as both sides prepare for a pivotal legal showdown.